so we're gonna get some first run video. This is my 12428. I replaced the radio with a gyro system, so it has gyro steering stabilization. So if you watch as I wiggle the car, the steering actually adjusts itself. And that keeps it running a straighter track. It's got a 45 amp ESC. Got a brushless motor in there. I'm still running the stock battery, just so you know. So let's see what we got. It really screams now. So I currently have the steering stabilization turned on. That's me not touching the steering wheel. Yeah, I can see that front wheel, or the front wheels are like totally running back and forth, keeping it going straight. I'm not doing any steering in it, that's doing it all on its own. I'm just running straight. Hopefully I'll be able to slow down that video so you can see how well that's actually working. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to get enough traction. There we go. I don't know, everybody hates the suspension on it. I actually don't mind it that much. It doesn't have any dampening, granted, or very little. But I don't know, it just seems like it does pretty well, actually. And I know if I had oil-filled shocks, it wouldn't roll over as often. That would be helpful. Boy, it's a beast now with this motor. I'm going to turn the stabilization way up. See what happens. See, that's me not doing any input. Well, that was my first real run with the new setup. Hope you liked that, and I will try and get a video showing how everything's done. All right, see you guys later.